Hello, my little learners. Do you miss me? I miss you so much. Are you ready to have so much fun? مين جاهز يتعلم معايا كلمات جديدة؟ النهاردة هنتعلم كلمات فيها حرف ال E. مين يعرف الصوت بتاعه؟ What is the sound of the letter E? The letter E makes the sound E. 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 Good job! E says E. E says E. Every letter makes a sound. E says A. Good job. One more time, but this time I want to chant with me. Are you ready? Let's go! E says E. E says E. Guys, are you ready to open the box? 3, 2, 1, let's go! Here is the mystery box. Let's open it together. Wow, what is this? Letter E and letter T make the sound. Who can tell me E and T together? Et. Et. Good job! So today we will learn et family. Et. Et. At. This is at. And here is it. It. At. It. At. Can you say it alone? Good job! Before we start, let's have a very quick quiz. I'll show you a word. I want you to try to read it alone without any help. مين هيقدر يقرأ الكلمة دي من غير أي مساعدة؟ يلا بينا. What is this? Good job! This is the word men. This time, I'll show you a picture. You tell me what is this. Ready? Here we are. What is this? This is a hen. Good job. Here we are. This is the first word. What is this? This is a pet. Pet. Pet يعني حيوان أليف. It could be a cat, it could be a dog, it could be a turtle, and it could be a tiger. What? Oopsie! No, tigers are not pets. Now, do you have a pet? مين عنده pet? If you have, write in the comments. Pet. 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 Wow, what about this? Ew, this is a spider. And the spider has a net. Spider net. Et. Net. Et. Net. The spider has a net. Oh, what is this sound? Can you hear it? It's coming closer. What is this? It's coming from the sky. Yeah, this is a jet. 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 Can you see the jet? Jet. Et. Jet. Oh my God, guys. It is running. Do you have an umbrella? Thank you so much. The umbrella. Although I have an umbrella, I am wet. 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 Wet يعني مبلول. Wet. 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 I am wet. I am wet. Now guys, it's your turn. Are you ready to read the words? Let's go. What is this? Pet. Good job. What about this one? Net. Super. What about here? Jet. Awesome. The last word is wet. Super. Now guys, we're going to play a lovely game. It's called Picture Hunt. Here we are. I'll show you a word. You need to read it and then search for the picture. Are you ready? Here we are. Look at this. What is this? At bat. Where is the bat? Good job. Here is the bat. What about this word? It. Pet. Where is the pet? Try to find it. Where is the pet? Yes, here. Here is the pet. Oh, what about this one? This is at rat. Super. Where is the rat? Try to click. Where is it? Yes, good job. Here is the rat. What about this one? What is this? This is jet. Where is the jet? Yes, super. Now the last two words. Are you ready? Here we are. What is this? This is at mat. Good job. Where is the mat? Yes, here we are. The last word is, what is this? Who can read it alone? Yes, super. This is net. Here we are. Good job. Now it's the sentence time. Can you see the sentence here? Yes, I start the sentence with a capital letter. Can you spot the capital letter here? Good job. And I end my sentence with a full stop. So I start with capital letter and I end with a full stop. Now let's try to read it. Pet. My pet is wet. My pet is wet. My pet is wet. Now it's your turn. Are you ready to read the sentence alone? Let's try. Good job. My pet is wet. Now it's the time to practice. هتلاقوا في الديسكربشن بتاع الفيديو free worksheets عملتها لكم مخصوص عشان تبدأوا تحملوها وتطبعوها. هتلاقوا فيها coloring, tracing و a lot of games. Yay! Guys, we had so much fun today. We read a lot of sentences and we learned a lot of new words. لو استفدتوا من الفيديو ما تنسوش تعملوا لايك وشير مع أصحابكم عشان هم كمان يستفيدوا. And see you next time. Bye bye.
Learn with Yamna.